you touch my tra-la-la.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to review a palette that was released by Natasha Denona. It is not brand new release, nevertheless it is going to be a brand new product for me. And we are going to be talking about Metropolis eyeshadow palette. And if you're interested to see how did that go, then carry on watching. I did purchase this palette during the VIB Sephora sale, and this is what the box looks like. And this is the actual palette. This palette retails for $129 plus tax. This palette includes 28 shades and it appears to be quite large, I might say. The shadows came with this beautiful leather package with the glossy finish top. It has a protector that is attached to it. It comes with the mirror. This palette includes different finishes and textures. On the back of the box it says that this palette contains matte, metallic, duochrome and chroma crystal eyeshadows. The shades are absolutely stunning. I could not wait to get my hands on this. Also, this is the 5th anniversary in makeup business for Natasha Denona, so this is her anniversary palette, and she had incorporated 2 brand new formulas that have not been used in any of her other palettes. This is made in Italy. It is good for 2 years from the moment of using the eyeshadows. So now that the informational side is complete, let's just apply the shadows. I'm going to start with applying a little bit of a lip balm on my lip. So this is what the box looks like. At the back of the box we have a description of the shades, also the names right here. At the back of the box there's a bit of an instruction here that says apply with the fluffy eyeshadow brushes to blend or detail brushes for precision. Metallic, duochrome and chrome crystal eyeshadows apply with the dense eyeshadow brush. Okay, also they suggest for foil finish to apply with the damp eyeshadow brush or with your fingertips. These are the actual eyeshadows, and it has this protective sleeve and it has a mirror. I did not remove the film from the mirror. I'm not going to be providing you with swatches because there's a lot of them, A, and B, there's lots of swatches available online should you wish to look for those. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get a piece of clean tissue and I'm gonna make sure that my eyelids are completely dry. Then I'm going to get the eyeshadow base and apply some eyeshadow base. I do have a large mirror here on the side, so if you see me looking this way, just so you know what's going on. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna grab my RCMA powder, put it on a little bit of a napkin here on my desk. I love this powder very much, but it is very messy, so beware. And I'm gonna get any brush and I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelid, making sure that it is all completely and utter dry, every nook and cranny, especially if you have hooded eyes like I do. It's that. Next thing I'm going to borrow a little bit of a gift wrapping business. I'm just making sure that it's not too sticky, so when I peel it off my eyes, it's not removing most of my epidermis. If you're going to be using this sort of aid in order to apply your makeup, just make sure that you do leave enough room for the connecting of the top part of the eye to the bottom part of your eye. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a gap here. And don't raise your eyebrows, just relax, chill. I know I'm looking crazy. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get an eyeliner. I'm gonna get a brush from Sigma. I'm gonna start with this shade here. And blend. Little by little. Whoa. Super pigmented. This is from one dip of the brush in the pan. That is just amazing. Same thing. So I'm gonna get my brush and I'm gonna dip them in both of these shades here and here, the darkest shades. Then I'm gonna get my eyeliner and I'm gonna complete the eye look. This eyeliner is so dead. I have given up on that eyeliner. I don't know, it died on me, and I'm gonna use this Tom Ford that is magical. I bought it donkeys years ago and it is still working. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get this brush from whatever it is, and I'm going to go into both of these shades here on the side, like this. I'm just going to go into both of them. Just give myself a little something to work on. And so I'm gonna leave it at that for now. I'm gonna grab my blending brush and just blend a little bit carefully. I'm gonna get this brush applicator from MAC. I'm going to use a little bit of a fix blush, and I'm going to go into this gold shade here. Beautiful. I'm gonna get this Sigma pinpoint concealer brush and I'm gonna get it a little bit wet. So I'm just gonna fix the little small minor details that I could not have completed with my applicator. Next thing, I'm gonna risk it and use my finger, and I'm gonna go to this champagne color. This is what I have so far. Now I'm going to go and use this emerald green. It might not look like emerald green on the camera, at least now that I'm looking at the screen, it doesn't look like it. But oh my goodness. So I'm actually torn between these two. Ooh. And I'm going to go in this shade here. I'm gonna get my detailed brush from Xoxox and just give it a little swirl on the top, swiping motions. And now I'm going to go back into my eyeliner, give it a little shake. So I'm gonna get small detail brush from Xoxox. The eyelids are complete. I'm going to remove this film. I'm gonna grab a black eye pencil. I'm gonna grab my Xoxox brush and I'm gonna go back to these two shades that I've mixed together. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of a mixing. I'll have to disappear for a minute and put my face on, and then I'll be back in a minute. My face is back on. For today's foundation, I have been using All Hours from YSL. I'm gonna grab my Tarte Tape Shape, grab my eye palette, and I'm gonna go into this shade here and get some color, and I'm gonna apply it here in the corner, just like so. Like this. Then I'm going to get my detailed brush from MAC, and I'm gonna go into this color, this light green. A little more just to make sure that it is all precise. This is amazing. Today's mascara, I'm going to be using this NARS Climax. So this is the final look for today, and I have to say that I am well and truly floored. These eyeshadows are everything. There is just endless opportunities to create different looks, and this is what I've created today. With this palette you will be able to create from the neutral shades, daytime makeup, to a very brave and bold eye looks like I have created right now. Just beautiful. Quality is there. Every shade that I use was amazing. Fallout is very minimal. They are truly pigmented, fantastic, money well spent. This eyeshadow palette has 2 years lifespan, and I really don't think you will be able to hit the pan on each and every shade until the time is up, so unless you are a makeup artist. Natasha, you are amazing. Please don't stop. And on this note, I would like to end today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also write me a comment and follow me on my Instagram. That would be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in my next one. But for now, it's bye-bye.